I've got Mr. Pavan Goenka with me. Thank you so much, sir, for talking to NDTV. Now, we have seen some kind of a turnaround as far as the auto sector is concerned. For 2 years in a row, it was under a lot of pressure. But since last 2 months, there has been a turnaround. How was the performance as far as your company is concerned?
Well, as you said, that we are beginning to see the signs of turnaround, which is good news for us. And with the excise reduction continuing, we do think that we will see the same thing too leading up to the festive season. So if we get 3-4 months of good 5 to 8% growth, I think the industry momentum will come back. The consumer confidence certainly is coming back because of various things that are happening in the economy. The only spoiler could be the monsoon. That could have some effect, but I don't expect the monsoon will be a single biggest factor. There are many other factors that will help us to propel growth.
Right. But for tractor sales in particular, we haven't really seen a jump as far as the tractor sales are concerned. Now with this monsoon, which is expected to be a below average monsoon, do you think again we'll go down and then again a recovery will happen after this is over?
Well, certainly the tractor has not started off very well on the financial year because of what happened in March, where there was a lot of unseasonal rains. We have recovered from that. Month of June was a positive 5.5% growth for the tractor industry. And it, to some extent, depends on what happens in the next 10 days to the rain. If we get good rain in the next 8 to 10 days, I think we'll still be on the 8 to 10% path that we have talked about in the past. Otherwise, we'll probably be stuck at 5-6%. So we'll have to wait and see.
Any strategy that you have in mind in the run-up to the festival season? How are you going to continue the sales momentum, which has just now picked up?
Well, obviously, we'll have to do a lot of marketing. We have to continue to have our incentives for sales, as every company has right now. And we'll have to wait to see how the consumer sentiment turns around. So there's nothing different this festive season than last or the year before.
Are you planning to cut your production or something of that sort on the cards?
No, in the month of July, I think we are okay, just about what we need, and it's a month-to-month situation. And clearly, we will keep our production in line with the demand and not unnecessarily produce vehicles and stop them.
Okay, in the budget, there wasn't really specific, apart from the excise duty cut reduction, which was announced earlier. It was further extended till 31st of December 2014. Anything else that you expected which did not actually happen in the budget?
Well, let me put it in perspective that for us, of course, there were a bunch of things that we would have liked to see, but the most important thing was the excise duty reduction to continue, which happened even before the budget. And that really is what we need to get the whole industry moving. Beyond that, we would have liked to see something for electric vehicles, which is specific to one or two companies. We'd have liked to see something about phasing out old vehicles, which the government is receptive to, but it needs more planning, more sort of number crunching to see how it will work. So what we were more keen on is what is being done to revive the economy, which will then create demand. And that's what we are seeing. So therefore, for auto industry also, the focus on infrastructure, the kind of allocation that has been done to infrastructure, the mining opening up, the power project that have been talked about, all of that is going to create demand for freight movement, people movement, and that's what is going to drive our industry. So we are quite happy with the indirect effect that the budget will have on the auto industry, even though they have nothing specific, which we're not looking for in any big way, that was for the auto industry.
Now, fleet rentals have also gone up slightly in the last 2 months or so. Going ahead, what kind of sales are you expecting for the entire year?
Well, the truck segment grew about 10% last month, because of the fleet requirements going up, and we do expect to see the same kind of momentum to continue. Today, all the fleet operators are more or less thinking that the demand is coming back. We are still not back to the 2012 level, but better than 2013 level, at least in the month of June. So I do expect to see 8 to 10% growth to happen in the next 2 to 3 months. And if that happens, then again the momentum will come back. So right now we are sitting at just the beginning of turnaround. I don't want to get too excited about it because 1 month does not make an industry. I want to see this growth to continue for the next 2-3 months. If it does, leading up to festive season, then I think we can declare that yes, we have come out of slowdown.
So we're just at the beginning of that turnaround.
Just at the beginning of the turnaround.
Right. And what are your expansion plans for FY15? What are your capex plans? Any new strategy that you have in mind? Any big announcement that we are going to get?
Well, there's no big announcement, no new big announcement, I should say. We have already talked about the new product launches that will happen next year. Which we are working on, that had not slowed down and that cannot be speeded up, so it has to take its own time. And to cater to that, we will have plant capacity that will be put in, which is going on as per plan. So there is nothing new that I can talk about today.
So this year, nothing new has been planned. No new launches, at least for FY15. Is that what you're saying?
Kind of, yes. What we had talked about that is we'll have some major variants, refreshes that will happen, but no new launches.
Okay. And next year, what kind of launches are we expecting?
We have talked about 3 new products to be launched next year, 2 in the SUV segment and 1 in the commercial vehicle segment.
Okay. And that is going to happen after in FY16. You're trying to say.
In 2015 calendar year.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for
right,
talking
sure.
to NDTV.